going on, guys? Pillow Trades here. Hey, let's go ahead and get an update on my Google position here on this beautiful gloomy set. I don't know why I didn't think it was going to be anything other than gloomy. It's been gloomy the last couple of days. But hey, without further ado, let's get into it. And yes, as you guys could probably tell on my last post or my last video, I am very sleep deprived. But hey, today was my last shift for a couple of days, so hey, we're gonna pay full attention to the market from here on out for the rest of the week. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as I was looking at my Google position, right, I came across this article on Alphabet, which, as you guys know, is, or if you guys didn't, Alphabet is the parent company, that owns Google. And this article says that, Google reported its fourth quarter earnings after the bell on Tuesday, beating on earnings per share and coming in roughly even on revenue, but the company fell short on its important cloud segment revenue. The company also dramatically expanded its capital expenditures for the year ahead, from $57.9 billion to a planned $75 billion. That's a lot. Shares in Alphabet tumbled 7% in early trading this morning. Alphabet's announcement came in as China said that it's launching an antitrust probe into Google in what's widely seen as a retaliatory, sorry, I can't speak this morning, measure by Beijing against President Trump's 10% tariff on goods made in China. Alphabet is also contending with the fallout from China's base DeepSeek. As we all remember, DeepSeek was big in the news last week, a couple of days ago, something like that. I'm sorry guys, my timeline is a little skewed, since I've been working nights the last couple of days. Let's see. So, rival Meta reported earnings last week, easily beating Wall Street expectations, right? I mean, Meta, Alphabet, right? There's all these other companies that have, they're in actually a lot of the top, if not all of the Mag 7. I'm not sure if Tesla is, but I'm pretty sure they are. They're heavily investing in AI, right? AI is has been the thing, for what seems like a couple of months or maybe years, but I guess the media didn't really pick it up. I want to say in the last, until the last couple of months. But hey, AI is here to stay. It's a thing, and it's only, I want to say it's only, right, or it's only, I don't want to say common sense, but, it's expected. There we go. It's expected that all these Mag 7 or top, tech companies, would invest heavily in AI. It's the next step, right? So let's see. Google, like Meta, is also awaiting the outcome of Trump's advocacy for TikTok. The short form video app, which is where I'm recording this video on, was supposed to be shut down in the U.S. Last month, right? But as we know, President Trump gave it, some time. Maybe we can come into an agreement on who's going to own it, or own the U.S. operations of it. Google also continued to face regulatory risks. Late last year, Google appealed a ruling after the courts found that the company abuses monopoly power over the search business. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I do remember hearing about it. One potential remedy suggested by government lawyers is a breakup of the company. I mean, if they do break it up, I know I want to say last year, maybe 2 years ago, there was a company that I don't think it was broken up by the government, but they definitely separated their operations, and that was Kellogg's. They came up with Kellanova and Kellogg's, and at the time I was in the company, and once it broke up, I let go of it. I didn't think it served its purpose anymore for my portfolio. But hey, if Google goes through something like this, I think I will, for that long-term growth, I will go a little bit heavier on it. Alphabet shares are up 41% over the past 12 months, outpacing Amazon shares, which rose 39%. I'm sorry, guys. Again, I can't speak this morning. And easily beating Microsoft shares, which are up just 2% during that same time period. Now, for context, I did want to show you guys a 5-day chart on Alphabet. It is down 3.46%. Again, that was a 5-day chart. And for more context, this is the 1-year chart. It is up 31.23%. Now, as far as my specific holdings, as you can tell, I'm very bullish on this company, on this stock. I do hold 32.07 shares at an average cost of $129.57, giving me a market value of $6,081.81. Total gain is 46.35%. That is $1,926.22. On today, since market open and the recording of this video, I am down $537.21. That is down 8.12%. On the 52-week range, it is up there. It is closer or close to its 52-week high, but I'm pretty sure over the last couple of days that's been coming down. I think it did hit 52-week high not too long ago, but nonetheless, even with the current dip, I don't think it's enough for me to buy any more shares. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. As I said it before, I'm very sleep deprived for working the night shift for the last couple of days. Remember, keep dollar cost averaging, keep investing. Until next one, take care.